What is up, everyone? This is Mo Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the error on saving your wireless profile message that you may be getting on your Windows 10 device. So let's get right into this. So the first thing you want to do is go to your search bar and type in CMD and right click into and run as administrator. Once you've done that, we're going to write two commands in here. The first one is ipconfig /flush DNS to basically successfully flush the DNS resolver cache, and the next command we're going to run is netsh winsock reset to basically successfully reset the winsock catalog. This is going to tell you to restart your computer, so do that while you're watching this video to see if this fixes it for you. And the final step that you can do outside of that is type in network reset, if I can type it, to basically successfully reset your network connection, because this is going to reinstall your network adapters and then get rid of anything like VPNs or something that may be causing these issues on your computer. So do that. That's also going to restart your PC. But yeah, that's basically it, and you should be good to go. If you guys like the video, please smash that like button. Guys on the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and let Mo Tutorials out. Peace.